Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are digging into Netflix's latest earnings call, and wow, it came with a plot twist that nobody, and I mean nobody, saw coming.
So, you know how Netflix has always been about building everything from the ground up, right? Well, after all those years, they've just completely flipped the script and made their biggest gamble ever.
Yep, you heard that right. They are buying Warner Bros. Discovery, the whole shebang, including HBO. This is a massive deal that doesn't just change Netflix's DNA, it completely reshuffles the deck for the entire entertainment world. Okay, so the first question you're probably asking is, how in the world can they afford this? Well, the short answer is, they're not just strong financially, they are incredibly strong. This move is coming from a place of pure power. And if you want to see where that confidence comes from, just look at their latest report card. I mean, they didn't just meet Wall Street's expectations for the last quarter, they blew past them on both revenue and profit. It was a fantastic end to a really strong year. And believe me, they are not hitting the brakes. They're actually forecasting a jaw-dropping $51 billion in revenue for 2026. That's billion with a B. This level of confidence is really at the heart of this entire story. So, where's all that growth coming from? A huge piece of the puzzle is their ad business. Get this, it doubled last year, and now they expect it to double again this year to around $3 billion. That is some serious momentum. Right, so with all that money and momentum, it brings us to the big question, doesn't it? After all these years of we build, we don't buy, why suddenly pivot and go after a Hollywood legacy titan? Well, according to management, this isn't really a pivot at all. Co-CEO Ted Sarandos put it perfectly. He called it a strategic accelerant. Think of it less like changing direction and more like strapping a rocket booster onto the car they were already driving.
So, what are they accelerating towards? Well, this deal instantly gives them three massive things they've been trying to build themselves. We're talking a world-class movie studio, a TV production powerhouse, and, let's not forget, the HBO brand. You know, the absolute gold standard for prestige TV.
Okay, but hold on a second. Movie theaters. Isn't Netflix the company that, spent the last decade trying to make movie theaters obsolete?
And this quote from Ted Sarandos just says it all, doesn't it? He's basically saying, look, this is a business and not a religion. Times change, you learn new things, they're not going to be stubborn about it. So now, boom, they own a major movie theater business, and their plan isn't to tear it down, it's to build it up. But this whole Warner Brothers deal, as huge as it is really just one piece of a much bigger strategy. What Netflix is really doing here is trying to capture every single second of your screen time.
And I mean every second. They are pushing so aggressively into all these other areas. You've got live sports, you've got cloud gaming right on your TV, no console needed. They're doing video podcasts, even those vertical video feeds like you see on social media. The goal is simple, to become the one-stop shop for entertainment. So let's zoom out. What does all of this mean for us, for the future of what we watch on our screens? Well, it means that the idea of what TV even is being totally blown up and rewritten from scratch. And because of that, Netflix is looking at their competition in a totally new way. It's not just about Disney Plus or Max anymore, not even close. The new battlefield is for your attention, and they're fighting against everything on your screen. YouTube, Fortnite, TikTok, you name it. And again, Ted Sarandos nails it with this quote. He points out that the lines are just gone. YouTube isn't just for cat videos anymore, right? They have blockbuster movies, they stream NFL games. They're fighting for the exact same viewers, the same creators, and the same advertising money. In Netflix's eyes, YouTube is TV, period. So this deal pretty much erases those old lines in the sand for good. And it leaves all of us with this one giant lingering question about the future. I mean, when the company that streams shows to your laptop also owns a Hollywood movie studio, and the place you watch viral videos also streams the NFL, what does the word TV even mean anymore?